Hello everyone, this is Joshua, registration number UR1 for CS123. So this video is in correspondence to the second experiment of System Software and Compiler Lab, which deals with the generation of a symbol table. So this program has been done in Java, and in order to perform certain functions, the necessary files have to be imported. And form, first of all, in the class and in the main function, the try block, uh, various arrays have to be declared and initialized to null. So these arrays will later hold the data type, variables, and values of the identifiers taken from the symbol table. So basically, a symbol table is a data structure which contains identifiers from a source code which takes its input, and these identifiers are associated with its data type and their values and the variables assigned. And so moving on, the file, first of all, the file has to be read from a location on my PC here. And so that is done by using various file functions. That is read using the buffer reader object. And moving on, in the while loop, if the file is not empty, so this is done by bf.readLine not equal to null. So this means that if the file is not empty, then a string tokenizer is initialized. And if the file contains, we have to check for the availability of int now. So if s contains int, a split function is performed. So basically, a split function separates an array into substrings. So once that is done, then the substring is then added to the first array, fr0, and in fr1, all the commas are replaced with a blank space, and then another split function is performed. Now once this is done, the equality sign has to be checked for, and if it is found, then another split function is performed, and this is in correspondence with the length of the variable present, and all the semicolons are now replaced with the blank space, and accordingly 2 tab spaces have been given in order to maintain the structure of the output. Now else, if this is not found, then the variable is just simply printed with 2 tab spaces. Moving on, similarly, as we have done it for the int function, we have to check for the availability of the float function, and the split function is again performed if float is found, which splits the array into various substrings, and it is added to file 0, and in file 1 all the commas are replaced with blank spaces and another split function is performed. And similarly, in this we have to check for equal to sign again, and in accordance with the length of the variable, all the semicolons are replaced with a blank space, and 2 tab spaces are given. Now else, if these conditions are not satisfied, we just print the variable as it is, and close the try block and the catch exception. So this is my input file. So when I run the program, so it shows me the data type is int, float, and the variables assigned. So a and d are assigned to variable data types int and float, and the values are 20 and 24. So that's it for this video. Thank you.